Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. So guys, if you want to enable voice chat on Roblox and also want to enable party options in Roblox, so you have come to the right place. In this video I step by step show you how you can easily get voice chat and party options on Roblox. So first of all guys, you have to open Roblox app, and then guys you will be land here. Here guys you can see at the bottom right corner more option. So guys simply tap on it. Now guys you will be land here guys you have to simply scroll down, and here you have to simply tap on settings, and here guys you have to simply tap on account info option, and here guys you will be land here guys you have to simply scroll down, and here guys you have to first of all change your birthday to 18 plus. So tap on birthday and set your date of birth to 18 plus. And here guys you can see at the bottom two option, continue with selfie or continue with ID. So guys, if you want to enable party options in Roblox, you have to simply tap on continue with selfie, and if you want to enable voice chat in Roblox, you have to simply tap on continue with ID. So guys, I need both options. So first of all I will show you how you can get party options in Roblox. So tap on continue with selfie, and here guys you have to tap on simply continue in browser. Now guys you will be land here guys you have to verify your face through selfie. Don't worry, it's not take your document, it's only take selfie. So guys, no matter you are kid, what's your age, just simply tap on continue option and verify your face through selfie. So guys, here you can see take a selfie button, simply tap on it. Now guys you will be land here guys to tap on allow while you visiting the site, and here guys you have to tap on while using the app. Now guys, here Roblox will verify your face, so turn your face according to the arrow. Now guys you can see I have successfully verified my face through selfie verification. Here you can see we estimate your age is 13 plus. Now guys you can see I have successfully got party options in Roblox. So guys you have to simply tap on OK option, and here guys you can see I have successfully got party options in Roblox. Now guys, here I will show you how you can get voice chat in Roblox. So for getting voice chat in Roblox, you have to simply tap on continue option. Now guys you will be land here guys you have to verify your ID. So here guys you have to simply tap on continue option. Now guys you will be land here guys you have to select your country whether you are, so tap on select. Now guys here you have to tap on national ID, and also tap on camera button to take a pictures of your ID card front back pictures. So here guys you can see I have successfully take a pictures of my ID card. Here guys you have to simply tap on use this photo option, and here guys Roblox will scan your identity document and give you result. So guys here you can see processing will start. Now guys here you can see I have to simply verify my face. So here guys you have to simply tap on get started and turn your head according to the Roblox. So here guys you can see I have successfully verified my identity document in Roblox. Here guys you can see I have successfully verified my phone number and email address, and I also verify my age and my face verification, and I also verify my document. So guys here you have to simply go back, and here guys you have to simply tap on privacy and content restriction section. So here guys you have to simply tap on communication option. Here guys you have to simply tap on voice chat option to enable voice chat in Roblox. Here guys you can see enable microphone option will appear. Here guys you have to simply enable this, and here guys you have to tap on enable button. Here guys you can see I have successfully got voice chat option in Roblox. I also verify my face in Roblox, and I already got party options and Roblox. So guys, by following this way you can easily got a voice chat option and party options in Roblox.